Good morning, guys. Let's start our morning today. All this mess in the table. Din is starting to install that exercise machine he ordered from Lazada.
Yeah.
And that is what he's doing right now.
Hopefully there won't be one screw missing by the time I get to the end. It always goes.
Wouldn't it be so pain in the head if there's one screw missing?
Yeah, it sure would.
What would you do?
Go get a screw. Solve the problem.
Well, why are you worried too much about
Because I
that?
want to go get a screw. I hope they're all here.
Oh. Are you almost done or no?
Well, getting there.
Good job, honey. Good thing you're not wearing your nothing t-shirt. Now you're gonna do this.
That's why I didn't wear my nothing t-shirt today.
Because you have a plan.
Yeah.
Here's Maribel.
Morning!
Look at all these screws. Where is this screws going? You know? I am not good into, installing stuff because I get confused.
Well, sometimes it is confusing. I hope I don't have to take it apart and redo it.
I know. You better really know what you're doing, honey. Maybe we
Well, I've
need...
never put one together before, but I've used them.
Dennis at first said maybe we should hire Noah to install this, but
Well, I can do it. I'm just being lazy. You know?
yeah, he decided he's gonna do it himself. It's going to be another hot day, guys.
Yep.
Check out our weather today. Weather update. Very sunny, very hot. Sky so blue. It's going to be a hot day. But we need this sun. Sometimes we need sun than rain a lot. Here's Maribin washing dishes. Let's wash dishes, guys.
Wash dishes, guys!
Oh wow, there's more stuff in here?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I don't know, honey. It looks like it's gonna take a while. But you're making progress, so you can do it, honey.
Thank you.
Think positive.
Yeah.
If you feel like stopping, I'm just gonna push you. Okay?
Okay. I might push back a little bit, but
Wow, it's starting to look something, honey. I think you're doing a good job.
Ay, ka na, siguro na.
What do you think? Maribel? All I did is assist him, like hold the thing. That's all I can do because I don't know anything about it.
right.
Ano lagi gani, oh. Inani
Mga
mo
gani.
ni coffee
Oh,
dish
would you repeat that?
What? What did I?
Would you repeat what you just said?
What did I say?
I don't know anything about it.
I just forgot what I said.
I never thought I'd ever hear you say that.
Samay.
I really did. What did I say?
I don't know anything about it.
Oh. Oh, you like hearing me that I say I don't know anything
I was
about?
just shocked. I never thought I'd ever hear you say that.
Why? Because you think that I know everything? I act like I know everything? Hey,
Don't
hold
put
on.
on screw.
Take a look at
Getting there.
getting there. Are you about halfway?
Almost.
Maybe Maribin, me and you can also try exercise.
There's the hole.
Did you find?
Yeah.
Making progress. I'm sleeping. I only had like 4
I
hours
thought
of
you were going
sleep.
to push me.
Huh?
I thought you were going to push me.
Well, that's why I'm trying to push you. Even if I'm sleepy, I'm trying to stay awake.
I see.
You know?
I see.
Let's take a break, guys. Oh my gosh, it's too hot. We'll just continue later, okay?
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
This afternoon when it's hotter.
Well, maybe when it's like 3 o'clock.
Oh, no.
Nagkapiin na lang.
Tag-asa po lang yung screw. Eh. So what are those very long screw?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet?
No.
You have to follow the instruction. Okay, let's take a break then.
Okay.
Back to your job.
Yeah, that's put it together. After break's over.
I woke up with all the noise in here. The noise of some metals.
Oh, really? Oh, I had no idea. Really?
Did you figure it all out?
Well, pretty much. I'm getting there little by little.
Okay. That's good. Maribin, I think she's still asleep.
Yeah, I think so.
I didn't even sleep until 3 o'clock last night.
Oh.
That's why I was tired and I woke
Well,
up
I
a
know,
little
stay up late
early.
working on the videos, I know.
What's the purpose for that?
Yeah, I'll show you. So you lay on the bench
Yeah?
and you put weights on here
Yeah?
and you get this and you pull like that.
Oh.
Then
Wow.
go like this.
Oh, I see. Let's eat popcorn, guys. You want some popcorn, honey?
No thanks, not right now.
You finished the other bag last night, huh? Yeah, you
I
did.
think so.
Very good popcorn. Okay, now you're gonna put that side.
Yep.
Wow. It's coming along, honey. Oh, how
Getting
you?
there. Coming along.
Good job, honey. Even though it's not done yet, it's already a good job.
Oh, you're so kind.
No, I'm telling you kind words so you will continue doing it. If I don't, then you may just stop it.
No, I'm not gonna stop.
You are determined.
Yep.
Wow. Maybe in about few months from now, you will be like 30 years, like muscular and younger.
That's the hope.
Maribin woke up from her nap. Did you have a good nap, Maribin?
Yes.
That's very good. I'm actually cooling Mylene right now. Uy, Pek! Ngabot ng isda?
Ambot mo ka na to ko.
Go here.
I think we're done or almost done. Yeah, probably good. There's a little bit of frustrations, but I think we're almost done.
Yep. Almost done.
Did I help a little bit, ne?
Yes, you did. Thank you.
So now we put it down. What is it? It's kind of like. Is it because it's some cheap stuff?
Made in China, probably.
Yeah, made in China. Be careful, honey. What if it's gonna fall apart when you sit in there?
Not very sturdy, man.
Not very strong.
That's probably alright.
So how does it work? You better be careful, honey. You gonna lean? Oh my God. This is very... It looks very dangerous here. Let's take off this thing. Because
These things here.
I'm afraid. It seems like I'm afraid for you, honey.
It goes like this. What the hell is this?
Like
That
that.
ain't right. That's not right.
Oh, like that?
Something's not right. No, these are supposed to be out further.
Yeah.
Unless it's this is a Filipino weight bench.
Yeah, maybe it's for Filipino. It's not for American.
Yeah.
So how are you gonna have like
Well,
gonna look like Arnold Schwarzenegger? You can barely.
I don't think that's gonna happen. This is for the legs.
For the leg?
Yeah. You put
How?
weights on there.
Then maybe you should just exercise your leg, you know, like that. And then what's that for?
Huh?
What is that for?
Well, under your knees.
Oh,
You put your legs under there.
oh,
Maybe ibutang ka itong murag dumbbell.
oh. Oh, maybe. What is this thing here for? This thing,
What?
like this.
That's when you lay down and you put your weight bar on top. And you lift like that.
Oh,
Wow.
Mag-listed ka galing kuan.
Something isn't right, man.
do you think something's not right?
Well, I don't know, unless it's just
Maybe it's for kids.
maybe.
Try it, Maribin.
I mean, it's the only way.
Yeah, sige daw, try Maribin.
See if it'll fit you.
Mo fit ba ba? Huh? Maribin don't even wanna try it. Maybe I should try it, see.
Try it.
Okay. So where am I
Yeah.
supposed to sit? Here or there?
Well, just wherever you need to reach those things.
Like that?
Yeah.
Or like this? And then what?
Put your grab the not that.
Huh?
Grab this handle here. Right
Where
here.
are you supposed
Right there.
to? Oh, like that?
Yeah.
It's too short even for me.
Daw?
Yeah, even for me, it's too short. It's supposed to be like that.
Yeah. Oh well.
What? Oh my gosh.
We'll have to sell it. Put your feet behind there.
Like
After you
that?
put weights on it, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's kind of weird or something. Oh my goodness. That's disappointing that
Well, I can't even fit my shoulders in there.
maybe it's not right. Maybe it's
There's only one way to hook it up.
huh?
There's only one way to hook it up. I guess
So
I could.
you better be
I
careful
guess I
with
could
it.
sit on it like this and go like this.
Yeah. And then you turn around on the
Then
other
turn
side.
The other way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sit here like 10 minutes like that. And then
Yeah.
yeah, that's why I
can
said
use this. I can use this part of it.
yeah.
Which is,
Yes, we just use it for now because you know this is
yeah, I can't use it the way I
almost
thought.
$80. That's why I said to you, it looks cheap in Lazada, probably come from China.
Yeah.
We could have bought that one at NCCC. They're like,
You should have told me.
I've been telling you that you didn't listen to me. Oh, this one from Lazada is very
You
cheap.
don't need one of those.
No, because I said find the one at NCCC because they're like 12,000, 12 to 15,000. But instead you said, oh, this one is cheap from Lazada.
Well, let's use this one until it breaks down. for breaks because we ain't gonna last.
Yeah,
long.
you better use it because you ordered it, you put it together, all the sweat, one bucket of sweat, probably 2 buckets. So
Yeah, I'll use it till it breaks. I just won't use it the way I thought I was gonna be able to, but
is it a little disappointing?
yeah.
But that's what you get though for cheap
Buy the cheapest
stuff.
thing you can find.
You get what you paid for, you know?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
Oh well, let's just put this in the bedroom until you get tired of using it.
well, I'm gonna use it. I mean,
Yeah. At least you can exercise
Yeah.
somehow, you know?
yeah. I can use this. I could do. You know,
Yeah. Yeah. Look at all these motorcycles, guys.
Silya, oh.
Lining up. Because there is
Just like there's something.
there is police in there.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Look at all this they are LTO. Wow. The van. See in the other side also. Motorcycles are stopped. Look at them, they are stuck. They are stuck. Wow. So by the way guys, we are going to pick up Marites, or I don't know if we should pick up Marites first, and then Samilin and Mylin, because they are gonna spend a couple of days in our house. See guys, Maripin knows how to vlog if she just
Little
try. Very good at holding the camera like that.
See you later, guys.
See you guys in a little bit. Here goes Marites.
Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Long time no see.
Long time no see. It's only been like how's school?
Kapoy kayo.
Very tiring. You look like you don't have energy, Marites. You look like you need dinner.
Alangan kay duha ka.
Are you hungry? Huh?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, now that we picked up Marites, let's pick up Samilin and Mylin. So we are here at the place where we supposed to meet them up. They are not here yet. They usually wait there, but they're not here yet. I think they're still cleaning the fish that they bought, that we also going to have for dinner. Maribin is gonna cook a fish soup. Oh no, is it fish soup? Fried fish and paksiw fish.
So nag-paksiw.
Pandawan. What's the name of Pandawan?
Tandawan nga lugar.
Oh, Pandawan is like I think it's like yellowfin. No, it's not yellowfin. It's a swordfish. Yeah, I think it's a swordfish. That's what we're gonna have
For dinner.
Yes. So for now, we are just waiting for them. Here they are. Samuel took Samilin and Mylin here. Samilin. Oh,
Hi! Hi!
Balugod nga.
I miss you. Nani,
Miss you guys!
oh, you miss them?
Yes.
Okay. Here's Mylin too. Okay. We're gonna leave now. Alright guys, we are home.
Guys!
And guess what? There's brown out. The light we have there is the emergency light. But there's brown out. Dennis is hot in the bedroom. It's a good thing we have like an battery operated fan. So that's what he's using right now. And we stopped by to get a little pizza because this little girl here has been craving for pizza.
This is guys.
Let's eat guys.
Please eat, guys.
Okay, you guys enjoy the pizza. I don't particularly like the pizza. They like it, but I prefer the pizza from Greenwich. It's very good. But anyway, you guys enjoy. Samilin, is it good?
Yes.
That's very good. I am just watching them enjoy pizza. Especially Samilin. It looks like she's really enjoying the pizza. Dennis is very frustrated because he was about to take a shower and then poof, brown out. But at least it's better that it became there's a brown out before he took a shower, because it would have been bad if he was in the middle of soaping his head and then there's a brown out. It looks like this brown out is gonna last for a while, so we're gonna have to deal with this. Maybe that is it for our video today. At least they are here. We're just gonna do chica chica in the middle of the brown.
Chica chica, guys.
Samilin said chica chica, guys. And Maribin is gonna still cook some fish. That's what I'm gonna eat, but not the pizza. Anyway, guys, that is it for our video. Thank you so very much. Dennis is sore right now for installing that machine, exercise machine. He is just resting right now. We'll see you all again soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye. Bye. Smile.